This is how to make a helical bevel gear. We're going to start making a circle with a radius of 85. In the same middle point, you're going to make a circle with the diameter of 100. Then we make a construction line and we make offset of 7.5, and then we're going to make another offset of 20 in the same line. Now we select arc and we're going to join these 2 points and put an angle of 65. Then we use the middle tool and select the center and press enter. Now we're going to raise the parts we don't need anymore, like this and also this. We're going to select these 3 objects and then we're going to use polar array tool to make more items and then trim. After that, we're going to select all our objects and join. Now we're going to copy and select our middle point and copy 2 times. Now we're going to scale it, the first one to 0.75 and the other one 0.5. Then we rotate our middle object to the angle of 15 and the right one to the angle of 30. Now in the middle point of our big one, we're going to make a line of 45, and next we're going to make a line of 50. And then we carefully move our second object to the end of the first line and then our second object to the end of the line. Then using the left tool, we're going to select all of our objects. For clarification, we're going to change our view to shaded and see how the object actually looks. Then using our circle tool, we're going to make a circle of diameter of 90 and make another circle of diameter of 65. Now we're going to make a line and start in this specific point. We're going to type 5, then go up 5, and then go left. And now we're going to select all our objects and then mirror it and select our middle point and then press enter. We are going to trim the parts we don't need anymore. And we're going to select our objects and use the array polar tool and press enter, and then we're going to change the items to 13. We are going to trim the ones we don't need anymore. And then we're going to use the spell tool to separate our arrays, and then we're going to select our objects and join it. We are going to move our object, pressing the center line and move it 32. Then we're going to make a circle of diameter of 72. Then we're going to move that circle 48. We're going to make another circle in the same middle point of diameter of 76. Now we gotta move this circle, pressing the middle point and then move 22. We're going to make another circle of diameter of 78. We're going to move it to the height of 10, and then we're going to make another circle in the same middle point of diameter of 90, and then we're going to move it to the height of 46. Using our extrude tool, we're going to select all our objects from the middle point. Please be careful in this step. It could be a little bit hard to comprehend the line, so we're going to change our view to hidden view and then continue extruding. Now we're going to select circle and 2 points, and we're going to use these 2 points. We're going to change back our view to see the circle, and then we're going to use the revolve tool. To see how our object is looking so far, we're going to change our view to shaded. Now we gotta press our objects and then press in select, then hide objects, and then we're going to subtract. After that, we're going to go to our right button and press and object isolation. Then we will unite our objects, and then we're going to move it from the center point to the other center point. Erase any left mark, and then we're going to change our view to shaded. So now we're going to have our final result. And that's how you make a helical bevel gear. Thank you so much for watching.